Hello everyone. In this project, we analyze the simulate the performance between a ULN2003 base driver and a MOSFET base stepper motor driving using MATLAB. The ULN2003 driver operates using Darlington transistor pass, which introduce a significant voltage drop across the driver, typically around 1.8 volts. Due to this voltage loss, the effective voltage applied to the motor winding is reduced, resulting in lower current flow since the torque produced by a stepper motor is directly proportional to the current through its coil. This reduction in current leads to a decrease in torque output. In contrast, MOSFET based drivers have a very low voltage drop, typically around zero point 0.2 volts, allowing more voltage to reach the motor. This results in higher current, improved torque, and better overall efficiency. The efficiency of the driver is evaluated by comparing the input power supplied to the system with the power lost with the driver. In the case of ULN2003, a larger portion of the input power is dissipated as heat due to its higher voltage drop, making it less efficient. On the other hand, most FET drivers minimize the power loss due to their low resistance characteristics, leading to higher efficiency. The MATLAB simulation models these effects mathematically and visually compress torque and efficiency using a bar graph, clearly showing the symmetry of MOSFET based drivers in the performance critical application. In the second part of the simulation, an AI like optimization approach is demonstrated to determine the optimal operating current for the motor. Here, torque is assumed to be directly proportional to current, while power loss increase with the square to the current by defining a performance metric as the ratio of torque to power loss. This simulation identifies the current value that minimizes performance. This represents how modern intelligent system and AI-based design tools can automatically tune motor parameters to achieve the best trade-off between performance and efficiency without manual intervention. Finally, the third simulation focuses on the effect of load torque on the speed and acceleration of a stepper motor. The motor's torque decreases as speed increases, which is represented by a linear torque speed characteristic. When an external load torque is applied, it reduces the next torque available for acceleration. As the load increases, the acceleration decreases, and the motor reaches a lower maximum increase speed. If the load torque becomes equal to or greater than the available motor torque, the motor can no longer sustain motion and may stall. This behavior is critical in real world applications, such as robotics and CNC machine, where improper load handling can lead to loss of synchronization and system failure. Overall, this simulation demonstrates how driver choice, intelligent optimization, and load conditions significantly influence stepper motor performance and highlights the importance of efficient driver design and proper system tuning in embedded motion control system. Thank you.